Yes, good day, ladies and gentlemen. On this occasion, I will present the Community Service Journal with the title Increasing Profitability in Cikoneng Village BOGOR through processing consumption of freshwater fish. This paper, written by Anton Kurniawan, Lorio Purnomo, Gloria Aguzman, and Anggha Dipa. And I am Lorio Purnomo will represent this paper for you all. Now, we are starting from a list of content. I will explain it about introduction, problem, method, result, and discussion. And the last is conclusion. We start from introduction. Community service will be conducted in Cikoneng village from January to Bogor, where many residents have livelihoods as refresh water fish farmers. As it is known, freshwater consumption fish itself is a fish that can be cultivated and converted as a side dish of daily food. One of the freshwater fish is tilapia. Community service this time seek to help increase the income of residents thereby providing solution by processing the result of fish farming properly and can help improve the economy of the people of Cikoneng village, Gunung Menyan village, that is by making tilapia into processed product in the form frozen fish. Now, let's see the next slide is about problem. Gunung Menyan village is a village that has three hamlets, seven neighborhood pillars, and 22 neighborhood pillars, with a land area around 245.80 819 and a population of 6,102 people. After that, Gunung Penyantir is located around the foot of Mount Salak in Bogor. Most of the people from Gunung Menyan village is have a livelihood as a freshwater fish farmer. This freshwater consumption fish itself is a fish that can be cultivated as a dish of daily food. One of freshwater fish is tilapia. The problem experienced is the lack of income for farmers who only sell fresh fish. Providing solution for processing fish farming products properly can help improve the economy of the people of Cikoneng village and Gunung Menyan village. Now we are explaining about our method while we are do community service in that village. The method in use in service on the approach to problem excavation, counseling, delivery section, and material discussion, and training on how to make packaging for homemade frozen food, starting from making seasoning until ready to be put into packaging by vacuum. Then put into the cooling machine. This step about the identification of problem, counseling, after that selecting of fish or tilapia, after that material discussion, and the last is packaging training for frozen food. In this method, the authors implement gradually and ensure that every participant present can understand well so that the purpose of this training can be useful and continue to be applied by freshwater conservation fish farmers, which in this training is more specific to tilapia farming. Starting from the selection of the best tilapia, the discussion process of our training materials containing the technique of making tilapia yellow seasoning to the packaging process to be frozen so that it can be sold by providing added value from freshwater consumption, which in the case freshwater fish. Now, after we are doing the program, the result and discussion, we are explaining about literature study conducted by searching research journal, article and experiment, and practicums of the management of tilapia as processed fish for frozen fish. The stages that must be considered in the community service area, the implementation of science and technology. In this case, we use a vacuum sealer machine. The vacuum process itself aims to make food ingredients oxygen-free. The first goes in the bacteria and fungi cannot grow because we know bacteria and fungi cannot grow without oxygen. This is what makes a vacuum cleaner can extend the life of foodstuff. Second, vacuum sealers can maintain the quality the state of foodstuff. With a process like this, it it's hoped that the product produced can be more durable so that product can reach a wider market. In addition, processed fish products that are clean and seasoned will be it easier for consumer to consume them so that consumer get practical products. Now the discussion about counseling. The next step of the services, the team consult tilapia farmers about the value added. After that, we are selecting selection of vanilla fish. We are collect uh, vanilla fish or tilapia. The farmer harvested tilapia can had been provided by them through the community service grant program, following by choosing that fish fit the specified size, which was 6 tilapia per kilogram. Material discussion, uh, practice and assistant of cleaning tilapia by cleaning its scales, and for discussion selection suitable seasoning for tilapia. After that, we are doing training about packing training for a frozen food. The conclusion is, after seeing the economic movement in the Gunung Mengkan area, which is still really on sales, are still very traditional, where their sale of tilapia currently still in the form the fresh fish or selling directly without processing. We ask the author do community service to help increase the income of the resident, thereby providing solution by processing the result of this farming properly and can help improve the economy of the food community Cikoneng village Gunung Keminyak. That is by making tilapia into processed product into the form frozen fish. The sales value of the fresh fish based on the harvest of 100 kilos is worth about 2,000 million. With calculated of the 1 kilos for 25,000 rupiahs, it is expected that with this training, income will increase. Well is due the added value for the sale of tilapia in frozen form, versus with the sale of 100 grams will cost the same as the harvest of 1 kilograms. Thus, the income of the citizen of Union can increase according to expectation of this training. So, uh, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.